Thank you for watching. I would like to explain the functions of this site. Click to read. This is a function that reads aloud when you click on it. You can operate and set speed, pitch, volume, no explanation, explanation provided, activation, deactivation of text emphasis, manual stop, automatic stop, etc. Automatic scrolling. This is an automatic scrolling function. Automatic scrolling on, off, speed, and pitch can be operated and set. Click copy. Click copy is a function that copies when you click. This is set to the location where you want to copy and paste. You can change the characters in the sentence by setting the following and clicking the Change button. Input section emphasis. Emphasize the part to input to the server. Emphasis on changes. Highlight the changes you made in this form. DHCP IP address, mask length. Please enter the DHCP IP address, mask length of the network where the server will be installed. Domain. Please enter the domain you acquired. Fedora Webmin settings. Link. Webmin installation. Confirm startup. Webmin installation. Install the required modules. Download Webmin. Install Webmin. Set the file. Add the IP you want to allow access to the last line. Restart. Confirm startup. Start your web browser, access Webmin, and log in as the root user. Click Change Language and Theme. Select Personal Choice. Japanese, YA_JP. UTF-8, and click Make Changes. Press the F5 key and check Japanese display. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful.